Hey everyone, Oz here and welcome back to Captain of Industry. We are running low on food. Food, did it come in? Yes, it's come in. I do need to work on what's going on here and in the water supply and all that sort of jazz. So I think it's terrible, but I think it's time to upgrade this guy to an enclosed farm or at least an irrigated one and run some water to it. I know we were struggling with water in the last episode. So there's a few things that I've been, given a bit of a heads up and what I should probably try and do on. Be sure this is the water line. Can you be up tall, please? Be careful here because I think it's a mess. All right. This pipe needs to go underneath here because this is redundant for any higher vehicles. Anyway, it's a little daft. I may need to put in a second one of the. It's always full. I need more desal. I need more water, basically. So again, this desalinization plant with the 3 it's doing stuff, but it's not doing a lot. I've also just hooked up pipe here. I'm going to pause this guy. Hooked up this pipe. It's going to be for exhaust. It should be coming to here. You have too much steam low. Oh, oops. It's the out. My bad. That's not where that goes. That has to come to here. I just pushed exhaust down here. That was really silly. Let me redo that. Because I've somehow managed to plug it into the output, not the input. Let's do that, and then let's get rid of a piece of pipe. Alright, you've got exhaust again, so someone needs to remove the product. Thank you. Okay, so that's got the steam going again, which should push a little bit more through here. And bringing in the second amount of exhaust maybe will help this just run constantly. Because it does need 16, right? It does produce a little bit of air pollution, so we're really not saving a great amount. I mean, we're going from 200 down to 103, I guess. Which, I guess, as I said, it's something. We get a little bit of sulfur out of it, which can be used to prop up our rubber creation. And if I can, clean things up just that little bit, then all the better. Now, you are set up to take what? Byproduct of this will be one of these. It's exhaust as well. Okay, so I need to tie all of this into this line and hope it runs fast enough. Not that this is turned on at the moment. None of this is working. And we're almost out of diesel again. What's full? Sour water's full again. Steam high. You have too much ammonia. And that goes into here, and because we're producing ammonia over there, it's terrible, but I need to tanker it. Because I'm producing ammonia now, aren't I? What else can I do with sour water? What else can we do with it, people? Not a lot. Make water pollution with it. I could just dump it. Alright, well, you know what? It has to stay partially empty. I don't think a truck can get in there now. Oh, yeah, it can probably come through here. This is required to be... What do you want? Where are you trying to go? Oh, okay. So no, you can't get in there. Okay. I need to work out why you can. Oh, is it that one? Okay. It's unfortunate. And now I need to either untangle the spaghetti or we'll do this. Light balancer. Good. I mean, you're running again because I built the second storage. But I need this delivered. And then I need to go this line. And I'll have to use a fair bit of Unity here to do this. No, not tons, but we go from here to here, here to here. Like, oh no, let's set water in. And then from the O side, coming out to, like here. And then we'll put a tank. Good. We're going to prioritize outgoing on X. I'm going to actually upgrade this to the bigger pipe. Because something that's been found by the community with balances is if you've got two liquids coming in, it needs to be full. Otherwise, it's gonna gap. You actually have to have more liquid coming in than going out if you want things to work efficiently. We have research lab 4s. I only got 12 months of food supply though. We used to have 30. I do need to, as I said, work on that. I'm going to set you to be kept empty. That'll kick off getting our fuel going. I want to upgrade you. Now, there was the comment of moving fuel to down here somewhere so that everything's localized. And I do like that idea. So me changing that to a second fuel station 2 is probably not smart, but let's build one. We'll build a fuel station 2 maybe here. And we're going across a pretty busy path. I may as well run the pipes through the middle of all the junk again. Let's put it there. And then let's run some pipes to it. So I probably wouldn't mind is having a fluid storage. Like here. Below. In. Like, why? Transport with selected position not found. Are you too tall? What's going on there? Well, hello? Are you're not high enough in the ground? We're just not level here? Something not. Does it have to be a pipe too? No. So, can I do collision with terrain? Cancel that. Dumping designation. Flat. Is there a hollow here? Oh, there's a drop here. That's 3. If I do this. I don't quite understand what's happening. I think it's because of this little... There is actually a byte change here, which is unfortunate because I've already set this guy up. So... Okay. You're currently at... Yeah, that makes sense then. So I kind of wish they prioritized doing this. Someone come and dump here, please. Because I need to put the fuel station in, but let's run the pipes. It's going to be the normal junk of just making a mess. Oh, and I have prepped up a plan for next lot of power. That is going to be a thing too, right? Let's just go from here and I'm going to just have some fun. Buy, please. Let's go there. Again, I want them to be able to get in and out, and this pipe at the moment is a problem. Okay, so here and then there. I think I've got a spot there. Can I get through there? Apparently. Oh, this is fantastic. I love it. Love the spaghetti. Across here. And we're already like right up in the air, right? So let's keep it going. And connect. Hey! There goes all my construction parts. 114 construction ones. What are you trying to get to? Trying to get to that tank as well. Turn them off. Yeah, they're trying to get from there and put it in here. No. Go and dump it. Dump it out this. Keeping sour water empty-ish. It should push here first. More than anything, it should push here first, and then we're waiting on. This is waiting on sulfur now. We're backed up on sulfur. Need to use some belts. You know what I can do? So use circuits. What else uses belts? I think it's just the trucks, isn't it? Let's make 2 trucks. That'll use some belts. And we'll slowly start swapping out the smaller trucks for the slightly larger ones. Putting the larger ones maybe in the mines. I went ahead and did this. Got this zip stuff set up and started the dig process here. I think this mine, it's only got the 2 small ones. I'm going to give it a couple of big ones. It's only got 1 excavator. Maybe I'll give it 1 big one, 1 small one. But at the moment they will be dumping dirt as quick as possible out of here because he's digging down. And I went this far back just because of how much I want to carve out of here. But that will mean copper's starting to get low. They're dumping up a storm over here. Okay. Oh yeah, they have started dumping here, which is cool, I guess. I don't think I can build anything on it yet. You know what? It's just got to be here. There we go. So what I will do is I'll probably decommission this one, or at least drop one of the trucks out and put it into this one once it's built. It's going to take a moment to build though. I don't know where his... Oh, there he is. I was going to say, I don't know where his second truck is. Just dirt and rock coming out of there. Don't forget we're still leveling this. Well, this is built. There you go. Let's assign 2 trucks to that. Let's drop... I'm going to drop a truck off here. you are going to get that guy. The iron going. They're digging quite well here. Maybe the second truck going to here. I know, it's full. Not much point. We've got 4 trucks in there. There's not much point in doing anything with it. These are all full. Trees are getting there. Where are our... No, are our tree things going to be out of trees cut? No, they'll be in here. There they are. Oop, not that button. Ooh, still got a lot of land to traverse, and we've still got problems here with our farms. This one's got a bit of water in it. This one's got a bit of water in it. Again, food supply is better. We're up at 19. Okay, so the boost with the greenhouse is you actually get a little bit of extra fertility out of the soil. Plus 12 instead of it's 10. Interesting. I don't have fertilizer going in here either yet. Probably send it over there. May as well. Run out of water real quick. I don't think they come up here anymore anyway, do they? I suppose they would. The things here. What's that bridge when I get to it? No, not there. Oh, yeah, let's just block it off. You know what? We'll go from here. No, I don't want to do that. How do you stop it from connecting? Is R. And then I can run underneath. This. Nope, that's not what I want. Why does it do this to me? Come here. R is on. No, please connect to. There, that's it. What I want. Right, so that should get us fertilizer into this farm too to help keep that one going. Get us some more food up. Fertilizer should be making its way up. I think the water issue is going to need me to increase these pipes. No, we're out of water again. Awesome. I love it. You know, go faster. Now we're waiting on water coming in. The pipe's full, and without running a second pipe, I think I'm maxing it out now. We are pushing that much water through the system. We are not keeping anything in this tank. May need to kick these guys in. What are you? Are you getting rid of CO2? And you'll be getting rid of CO2. Okay, how many other things can I... You're the coal boiler, right? Yeah, I needed to... So you get rid of CO2 from here, but you... When that one's running, you get rid... Okay, I get it. Good? I think we're good. power's still not hurting us. We got these 2 ones going. You don't need anyone. What's coal like? Our 3rd one is staying empty. Oh, we're heading into dirt. Yes. Do you just have the 2 small, the 2 larges? Yep. It's not real efficient. Not real efficient at all. Let's assign just a small truck here. And then I'll see if I can assign him to just be... Can you say what they want to carry? No, it just tells you what they are carrying. Yeah, you can't change it, but I'm hoping that they'll use them for dirt. Anyway, it'll work as it works. I know this is still fairly wasteful too. I could probably do better here. Iron's still pumping out through there. Still a thing full of wood. I hope these trucks aren't coming all this way. They probably are. They're probably driving from here. Yeah, look, all the way over and probably down and then dumping the wood out in that crate. Did I have a wood input here? No, that one didn't need it, did it? Limestone's full. Sand is empty. We are out of sand. These guys are digging into limestone. Of course they are. Of course they are. Okay. A little better here. What do you got? Rock. What do you got? Limestone. On. Storage. Quick deliver. Get me some limestone storage. Now we get some sand running again. I would like you to not... How can you say don't pick up limestone? It's not really a thing, right? Oh, this will keep us going for the moment. We'll get some sand processing again, limestone processing again, cement being made. Now that we've got... I mean, they can take rock and the slag, crush it up. But we've got sand here being added into the mix. And we're making concrete again. We weren't out. It's just starting to get low, and then we need sand for the glass mix. Okay. Can I... You know what? Let's have a look on our map. Have I actually started loading one of them? What am I loading? All required cargo loaded for the damaged cargo ship. Okay. The damaged cargo ship. Deliver. Okay, so they're going to do that. This is waiting for pickup. I still don't know whether it's smart to put a different module on here in the one area. I don't know if they can carry mixed. But that being said, we've only discovered wood and oil. I believe there are other materials out there that we can potentially find. But we're not at that point. Okay, so sand and etc. is going. You can see how quickly things can go by the wayside and back up and cause problems if you're not on top of everything. In the case of some of this stuff, I may need to just be upgrading some of these things just to use the rubber, for example. If I upgrade this, it's only 4, but it's an upgrade that'll use a little bit of rubber and some, okay, in this case, construction parts 3. But this belt will run a bit faster and potentially feed this better and allow us to also drain coal out of here quick. I think this is going to need to be upgraded, this water. We're not keeping it full. This one doesn't need the up. What are we waiting on? Steam? Okay. What else can we use sulfur for? Make acid. Slag is just a dumping material. Actually, while we're on the topic of that, acid. We get better. If I could make acid from it, maybe that's a thing. Research. We're not doing any research. How daft of me. Digestate processing. That gets rid of excess food. Pretty much. Turns it into fuel. Hydrogen production. Takes fuel gas and steam and turns it into hydrogen and CO2. I don't need that. Hydrogen and CO2 is fuel gas. I mean, we can do both of them. Ooh, advanced smelting. Take crushed iron ore. Coal limestone makes molten iron. Alright, it's on the list. And then add that one. So then we need to, pushing that wrong button. Then we would need to do iron ore. It's a crusher recipe. So we're going to get 9 and 9 basically. So if I go to iron, probably molten iron would be the smartest one. So we're going to go from having 9 iron coming in and 4 coal and getting 8 iron out, 6 slag. We're going to 9. We're going to have to crush it first. 9 and 4 coal and 2 limestone. We're going to get 12 molten iron and then the same. So it's worth it. We've got a fair chunk of limestone down there. I think this is probably potentially going to be a smarter move. So I will need to reprocess the stuff we've got going here. I'm assuming I'll be able to push this up a level. But I'll need to bring in crushed and limestone into here to be processed. Possibly over here too, to get the molten iron to turn into steel. So this belt we could just effectively send up. Yeah, we could do that. We could send the crushed instead of the ore. So we put a crusher down here. And then we just need to run the limestone up. Again, we've only got the 2 here. I could just branch off and run it up all the way up to here. It's a long way, but I've got a lot of rubber. And tee it in underneath here maybe. And run it up all the way up to the same spot, so they're feeding in both. I'm guessing that the new one would have 3 inputs. All right. Current research to advance for our lab. Yep, okay. Upgrade, please. It's going to take a moment. So that's where we're at. I'll have to look at doing the crusher in this location. And then we'll straight out crush it and run it up. And then we need to get limestone. So I'll start working on this as limestone. Yes, so I'm already running it to this point. We can go transports. No, U-shaped. I can put a ramp through here. Nope. So whatever I do, I have to put a ramp there. That's good. Put a ramp. Here. It's going to be a bit funny. All right, I'm going to run some belts, some transports, and see what I can come up with. I think this is going to take a little bit of time. What are you? It should be a U shape. Cool. No. Can I get this through here, actually? Nope. That was a waste of time. I still need to go from there. Maybe I should have made it a double. I'm not sure which way to run this now. Made it a medium. Alright, cool. I'm going to play around with this a little bit. Get rid of that. And next episode, hopefully I'll have all these things ready to roll. And we can get some next level processing underway. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Please leave your comments down below. And I will see you next time. Bye now.